Greetings, beautiful people. How are you doing today? All right. Hope everyone is doing good, and I'm also doing fine. This station is called Kupot, and this is a train station. Yeah, and it's called the BTS. One of those trains that connects you to the town center or to Bangkok. So in this video, I'm going to board a train, and I'll be heading to Siam. Siam is known as one of the most busiest hubs or places in Bangkok. I guess you've seen many videos. So allow me to take you around. The buses are going around. These are taxis, and also it is raining. Yeah, it's a raining day. It's early morning. Time check is 8. Yeah, 8:35. So let me use this train station here. Yes. So BTS Sky Train route map. So this is the map that you have to follow if you're going to Siam. Siam is just here, and in this video specifically I'm coming from here. This is Kupot. The word is pronounced as Kupot. So all along I'm going to have like how many stops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and I'm going here to 25. Okay, so guys, join me. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to be part of this channel. Greetings, beautiful people. My name is William. Yes, I'm a digital content creator. If it is your first time to see me, please kindly subscribe and support this YouTube channel. Let's grow as a family. Alright, so this is a big piece of land that is free. Now this is the station that I want us to look at. Look at that beauty. Yes. So it is so cold outside. I have no jacket, and of course people cannot stop from traveling. Yeah, people have to travel. Yeah, so let's get there and see what is happening. Let me see how I'm going to scan my card. Ticket machines, can you see that? You know, in Thailand you cannot just trespass, so you have to be patient. Yeah, and there are two options. If you want to use the Sky Train, you can decide to buy a ticket over there, or decide to grab a ticket from the ticketing machines there. Yeah, so since I do have cash, I'm going to buy a card from here, and this is 1,000 bahts. Yeah, this is 1,000 bahts, and I'm going to buy actually 2 cards. Yeah, one is for my friend. Yeah, and this is Thailand's biggest note. This is the biggest money, like big note. Okay, yeah. Like in my country, the biggest note is 50,000 Ugandan shillings. So let's see how much it costs. Guys, I just returned back to Thailand, and maybe things have changed. So let me get here. Hello. Wadikap. Siam, 2 tickets.
Siam.
Yes. So I'm going to buy from here the ticket.
2,134.
Yes?
2%?
Yeah, 2 people.
134.
Okay. 124. So that means you have to divide by 2, and I guess each ticket is how much? Just do the mathematics, guys. Yeah. So he's a nice guy, you see him? He's good. Huh? Yeah. So
Thank you for sharing. Thank you.
okay, thank you so much. So guys, actually this is the money. I didn't show you the change. This is the change. So these are the 2 cards. I don't know where is my colleague. Yeah. Let me try to call him. Can you see his name? Read the name. So we had decided to meet at the train station. Okay. This is mine. I tapped already. I bought 2 cards, 2 tickets.
But this one have already, yeah. Let me try again.
Okay. So guys, I had tapped the other one that they took. Yeah.
This ticket does not have
Okay. Good. We're ready. Hey, we're don't stress. Michi. So this is the line, guys. And this is how we do wait. And of course here is Phuket. Yes. Yeah, you might ask yourself why many people here. It's because the trains, there is transport. A lot of people have their other means of transport, like personal vehicles, motorbikes, but they have to park them over the other side. Yeah, where there is a word park and ride. So you can decide to leave your car over there and come and grab a train, because the train has no traffic congestion, and of course it gets to the suburbs. So let's get there and see. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome to Siam. Yeah, that is Siam for you. So I'm just looking around here, and I want to see how it looks outside, because in the suburbs it was raining. Yeah. So I have to take this card to this side. How do you put this card? got to come and pick cakes here. So have you realized that you can walk these just walkways for pedestrians? You know, they've got this one to protect you from rain. Y'all for them to take
ค่ะชั้น2ถึงแล้วค่ะประตูที่เปิด
Yoksa
Thank you.